The smartphone race just got a whole lot more intense, and this time nothing is taking center stage. The buzz around Nothing's next big release, the Phone 3, is growing louder, especially after a recent leak shed light on key details like pricing, configurations, color choices, and a twist that could redefine the brand's image. Let's kick things off with what's confirmed. Reliable tipster Roland Quan has disclosed that the Phone 3 will come in two classic shades, black and white, staying true to Nothing's clean, minimalist visual language. Underneath that iconic shell, the device is expected in two variants, one with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, and a more premium option packing 16GB RAM with a generous 512GB of space. These specs clearly place it among today's flagship-level devices. Now let's talk numbers. The leak points to a European price tag of €850, which converts to about $910 in the US, putting the Phone 3 head-to-head with heavy hitters like the Pixel 9 Pro, Samsung's Galaxy S line, and OnePlus premium offerings. Interestingly, this aligns closely with earlier remarks by Nothing's CEO Carl Pei, who hinted at a price around £800. But perhaps the most exciting revelation? A mention of US pricing. This suggests that Nothing might finally go beyond beta testing and officially release the Phone 3 in the American market, a major milestone for global expansion. However, there's one surprising twist in the leak that might raise some eyebrows. According to rumors, Nothing could be planning to eliminate the Glyph interface entirely in this version. For those unfamiliar, the Glyph interface is the LED light system on the back of earlier models that offered visual alerts for calls, messages, and more. It's been a signature part of the brand's identity, both practical and visually unique. Dropping it would be a bold move, hinting at a shift toward a sleeker design or possibly a heavier focus on software-based features. Whatever the motive, it's clear Nothing is evolving. This doesn't just feel like the next chapter, it feels like a whole new book. With premium-level hardware, a confident pricing strategy, and what could be a complete aesthetic overhaul, the Phone 3 is shaping up to be a defining release for the company. Whether it's a full-blown reinvention or just a mature refinement of what's already worked, there's no doubt Carl Pei is steering the brand towards something bigger. While official details are still under wraps, one thing is undeniable. Nothing is no longer just the edgy underdog with flashing lights. It's positioning itself as a real threat in the high-end smartphone market. The question now is whether loyal fans will welcome this new direction or feel nostalgic for the brand's experimental roots. No matter how you see it, the Phone 3 could very well be the launchpad for a bold new phase. What's your take? Is this a smart step forward or a gamble that risks losing what made Nothing special? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if this deep dive caught your interest, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay curious and stay tuned.